Are you tired of complicated weight loss plans that leave you overwhelmed? Losing weight doesn't have to be a mystery. Imagine if you could lose 1 pound a week consistently with just small, manageable changes to your daily routine. In this video, we'll reveal a step-by-step science-backed plan to help you shed 1 pound each week by creating a calorie deficit of 3,500 calories over 7 days. By the end, you'll have actionable tips and a clear strategy to achieve sustainable weight loss. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Now, let's get started. Losing 1 pound a week may not sound like much, but it's actually the healthiest and most sustainable way to lose weight. Crash diets and extreme calorie cutting often lead to muscle loss, fatigue, and even nutritional deficiencies. By aiming for a gradual weight loss of 1 pound a week, the focus stays on long-term habits that preserve muscle and prioritize overall health. Over time, this method can lead to significant results, 52 pounds in a year. That's a life-changing transformation, 1 pound at a time. To lose 1 pound a week, the goal is to create a calorie deficit of 500 calories each day. This can be achieved in 2 ways: eating fewer calories and increasing physical activity. For example, cutting out 300 calories from food and burning 200 calories through exercise each day will create the necessary 500 calorie deficit. Here are practical ways to reduce calorie intake. Replace sugar-filled beverages like sodas or fancy coffees with water, black coffee, or herbal tea. This single swap can save up to 200 calories per drink. Opt for baked, grilled, or steamed foods instead of fried options. For instance, swapping fried chicken for grilled chicken saves around 200 calories. Use portion control. Limit carbs like rice and pasta to a fist-sized portion, and fill half your plate with vegetables. These simple adjustments make it easy to stay within your calorie budget. Exercise is a powerful tool for burning calories, and it doesn't have to involve grueling gym sessions. Here are simple exercises and the calories they burn. A brisk 30-minute walk burns approximately 150 calories. Make it a habit to walk after meals or during breaks. Swimming for 30 minutes burns about 180 calories and is a low-impact option for people with joint pain. The number of calories you burn swimming for 30 minutes may vary depending on the intensity of your swim and your body composition. Dancing for 30 minutes can burn up to 112 calories. This can be as simple as putting on your favorite playlist and moving around the house. Even yoga, often seen as a relaxing practice, burns around 149 calories in just 30 minutes while improving flexibility and reducing stress. Incorporate exercise into your routine with small adjustments. For example, take the stairs instead of the elevator or park farther away to add extra steps. The goal is to stay active and make movement enjoyable so it becomes a consistent habit. Weight loss isn't just about cutting calories, it's also about eating the right calories. Focus on nutrient-dense foods that keep you full and energized. Fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, or zucchini. These are low in calories but high in fiber, which promotes satiety. Include lean protein like chicken breast, tofu, or fish. Protein helps preserve muscle during weight loss and keeps hunger at bay. Choose whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or whole wheat bread over refined grains. These provide longer-lasting energy and prevent blood sugar spikes. Avoid highly processed foods that are calorie-dense but nutritionally empty, like chips, pastries, and sugary snacks. A balanced diet ensures that weight loss is sustainable and supports overall health. Hunger and cravings are natural during weight loss but can be managed effectively. Here are some tips. Stay hydrated. Thirst is often mistaken for hunger, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. Snack wisely. Choose snacks like a handful of almonds, a boiled egg, or a piece of fruit. These options are satisfying and low in calories. Eat mindfully. Pay attention to hunger cues and avoid eating out of boredom or stress. Taking time to enjoy meals can prevent overeating. Include healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, or nuts in your meals. Fats slow digestion and help you feel full longer. Planning meals and snacks ahead of time can also help curb cravings and keep you on track. Weight loss is more than just numbers on a scale. It's about creating lasting habits. Track progress using a journal or app to monitor calorie intake and physical activity. Seeing progress can boost motivation. Set realistic goals and celebrate small victories. Losing 1 pound a week is a sustainable pace that builds confidence over time. Focus on non-food rewards, like treating yourself to new workout gear, a movie night, or a relaxing spa day when milestones are reached. Surround yourself with supportive people or join a community with similar goals to stay inspired and accountable. Losing 1 pound a week may seem small, but it's the foundation of sustainable and lasting weight loss. By creating a calorie deficit through simple food swaps, incorporating enjoyable exercise, and practicing portion control, the goal is within reach. Combine these steps with mindful eating, managing cravings, and tracking progress to stay consistent. Every step you take brings you closer to a healthier, happier version of yourself. Like this video, subscribe for more tips, and share your progress or questions in the comments. Start today and take that first step toward your weight loss journey.